Hey, what's up, Twitter? It's Nikhil from Trade. If you listened to the podcast today, you probably heard about this book, which is amazing, Psycho-Cybernetics. Okay, what I want to do today in this video is I want to talk a little bit about something I read this morning, because I didn't finish the book yet, but I'm getting through the end right now. So I want to tell you about something that I read in the book recently. And it's basically an interesting idea that you can apply to trading. So the example given in the book is that whenever someone in your family or around you dies, right? You're never gonna talk badly about that person. You're never gonna say, well, that person was a bad person. That person didn't do things well. Or that person was this, and that, right? So you always talk positively about someone who dies. And some people wonder why. That's the interesting part. You might wonder why. And what's given in the book is that this is something ingrained in yourself. It's something you have in yourself. You're never going to do this, right? There's things in life that you're never going to do. You're never going to talk about a person who dies badly. You're never going to do this and that. But simply because it's something that you've incorporated in yourself. And the book talks a lot about how to do these things. But think about this. You can easily apply that to trading. You might be the type of person right now who is moving your stop loss to not feel a loss, right? Because you want to see what's going to happen with the trade. So you move your stop loss. Now, this is something that you have in yourself. But the exact opposite could be true. You could train yourself and decide today that you're never going to move your stop loss, right? And this is exactly what's talking in the book. The reason why we never talk badly about someone who dies is simply because we're the type of people who talk positively about other people and remember other people well, right? And this is something that we've incorporated and we've put in ourselves through a couple of years, right? It takes time. But you can decide today that you're going to do something differently in trading. You can decide today that you're going to take your losses or that you're going to set a fixed stop loss and not move it. So those are the things that you gain over time, and then they become habits, right? Once you do something once or twice or even three times, they become habit, and then it's easier. But you have to decide today what are going to be the rules and what are going to be the things you're going to follow, right? Such as not moving your stop loss, such as accepting your losses, and then you just focus on that. But over time, you're going to see you have a big difference. So that's a quick message for today. Make sure that you know what you're doing. Make sure that you understand the fact that things are habits and focus on that. And now set some rules for yourself. Set some things that you're going to do. And let me know if I can help. Check out desiretotrade.com. Check out the Facebook group at desiretotrade.com/group. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.